Oregano oil has long been recognized for its medicinal properties, particularly its ability to enhance immune function. The statement, "boosts immunity, thanks to carvacrol and thymol." Oregano oil has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, highlights key bioactive compounds in oregano oil. This article provides a comprehensive, evidence-based exploration of how oregano oil affects the immune system, with a detailed focus on its antimicrobial properties, the mechanisms of action of carvacrol and thymol, and the broader implications for human health. Understanding the immune system and its interaction with oregano oil. The immune system is a highly complex network of cells, tissues, and molecules designed to protect the body from pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It consists of innate immunity, nonspecific defenses like skin, mucous membranes, and macrophages, and adaptive immunity, specific responses, including antibody production by B cells and T cell mediated immunity. The role of natural compounds in immune modulation. Natural compounds like those found in oregano oil can enhance immune function through various pathways, including direct antimicrobial activity, killing pathogens; immunomodulation, enhancing immune cell activity; reducing inflammation, preventing excessive immune reactions that could damage tissues; gut microbiota regulation, supporting a healthy balance of beneficial bacteria; carvacrol and thymol, the active components in oregano oil. Oregano oil derives its potent properties from carvacrol and thymol, two phenolic compounds that have been extensively studied for their antimicrobial and immune-boosting effects. Carvacrol, a potent antimicrobial agent. Carvacrol is a monoterpenoid phenol that has shown strong antimicrobial activity against a wide range of pathogens. Mechanism of action of carvacrol. Cell membrane disruption. Carvacrol damages bacterial cell membranes by increasing permeability, leading to leakage of ions and intracellular components. Inhibition of virulence factors. Studies have shown that carvacrol can inhibit bacterial biofilm formation, making pathogens more susceptible to immune attack. Oxidative stress induction. Carvacrol generates reactive oxygen species, ROS, which can damage microbial DNA and proteins, leading to cell death. Carvacrol's role in immunity. Enhances the activity of white blood cells, including macrophages and natural killer NK cells. Modulates cytokine production, reducing pro-inflammatory markers like TNF-alpha and IL-6, while promoting anti-inflammatory cytokines. Supports gut health, which is crucial since 70% of immune cells reside in the gut-associated lymphoid tissue GALT. Thymol, a natural immune enhancer. Thymol is another phenolic monoterpene found in oregano oil with potent antiseptic and antifungal properties. Thymol's mechanism of action. Disrupts microbial cell walls. Thymol binds to bacterial lipids, causing membrane destabilization and leakage of cellular contents. Inhibits enzyme activity in pathogens. It interferes with bacterial enzymes involved in energy production and replication. Antifungal activity. Thymol effectively disrupts fungal cell membranes, making it useful against Candida species and other fungal infections. Thymol's impact on the immune system. Stimulates T cell proliferation, enhancing the adaptive immune response. Reduces oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals, protecting immune cells from damage. Balances gut microbiota, preventing overgrowth of harmful bacteria while supporting beneficial strains like lactobacillus and bifidobacteria. Oregano oil's antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Antibacterial effects. Oregano oil has demonstrated broad-spectrum antibacterial activity, particularly against antibiotic-resistant strains such as methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, MRSA, and Escherichia coli E. coli. Clinical applications. Used as a natural alternative to antibiotics to prevent resistance. Effective in treating gastrointestinal infections like H. pylori, which causes ulcers. Helps manage respiratory infections, such as those caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae. Antiviral effects. Viruses are difficult to treat due to their ability to integrate into host cells. However, oregano oil has antiviral activity against several dangerous pathogens, including influenza, herpes simplex virus (HSV), and coronaviruses. Mechanism of action against viruses. Prevents viral entry. Carvacrol and thymol can interfere with viral envelope proteins, preventing attachment and entry into host cells. Inhibits viral replication. Studies show that oregano oil suppresses RNA and DNA replication of certain viruses. Enhances immune response. Oregano oil stimulates interferons, proteins that signal immune cells to fight viral infections. Clinical relevance. Used as a natural remedy for flu and colds. Shows potential in reducing severity of COVID-19 by inhibiting viral enzymes. Antifungal effects. Fungal infections, particularly Candida overgrowth, are linked to weakened immunity. Oregano oil has potent antifungal properties, making it a promising treatment for such infections. Mechanism of antifungal action. Destroys fungal cell walls, preventing their spread. Inhibits hyphal growth, which is crucial for fungal virulence. Clinical applications. Helps manage Candida infections, especially in the gut and oral cavity thrush. Useful against athlete's foot and nail fungus. Additional health benefits of oregano oil for immunity. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation suppresses immunity. Oregano oil reduces inflammation by inhibiting NF-kappa B, a key regulator of inflammation. Reducing COX-2 enzyme activity, similar to how NSAIDs work. Gut health and immune function. Since gut bacteria influence immune responses, oregano oil supports gut health by balancing gut microbiota, reducing harmful bacteria while promoting beneficial strains, improving digestion, preventing conditions like leaky gut syndrome, which weakens immunity. Safety, dosage, and precautions. While oregano oil is highly beneficial, proper usage is critical to avoid adverse effects. Recommended dosage. Internal use. 2 to 4 drops diluted in water or carrier oil, taken once or twice daily. Topical use. Mixed with coconut or olive oil to avoid skin irritation. Inhalation. Used in steam therapy for respiratory infections. Possible side effects. Gastrointestinal irritation if taken in excess. Allergic reactions, particularly in individuals sensitive to mint family plants. Drug interactions, anticoagulants, diabetes medications. Conclusion. Oregano oil is a powerful natural remedy with broad-spectrum antimicrobial properties that can enhance immune function. The active compounds, carvacrol and thymol, work synergistically to combat bacteria, viruses, and fungi while also supporting immune modulation and gut health. Although it is a promising natural supplement, caution should be exercised regarding proper dosage and potential interactions. By incorporating oregano oil into a health regimen, individuals can harness its immune-boosting properties for better overall well-being and disease prevention. The digestive system is a complex and highly coordinated system responsible for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and eliminating waste. It is intricately connected to overall health, and any imbalance can lead to digestive disorders such as bloating, indigestion, and poor bile production. The statement supports digestion, balances gut bacteria, reduces bloating, indigestion, and stimulates bile production, highlights the role of oregano oil and its active compounds, particularly carvacrol and thymol, in improving gut health. This in-depth analysis will explore the mechanisms by which oregano oil supports digestion, the impact of gut bacteria on overall health, the role of bile in fat metabolism, and clinical applications of oregano oil in digestive disorders. Understanding the digestive system and its function. The digestive system is composed of several organs, including the stomach, small intestine, large intestine, pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. Its primary functions include mechanical digestion, chewing, peristalsis; chemical digestion, enzymatic breakdown of food; nutrient absorption in the small intestine; waste elimination through the large intestine. Any disruption in this process can lead to bloating, indigestion, gut dysbiosis, and poor fat digestion due to reduced bile secretion. The gut microbiome's role in digestion. The gut microbiome consists of trillions of bacteria, both beneficial and harmful, that influence digestion, immune function, and overall health. A healthy balance of gut bacteria is essential for breaking down fiber and producing short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, that nourish intestinal cells, synthesizing vitamins like B12, K, and biotin, regulating inflammation and immune responses, preventing harmful bacterial overgrowth, such as SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. Dysbiosis, or an imbalance of gut bacteria, can result in bloating, indigestion, constipation, diarrhea, and inflammation. How oregano oil supports digestion. Oregano oil contains bioactive compounds that positively affect digestive health. The most important ones are carvacrol, a potent antimicrobial that helps balance gut bacteria; thymol, supports bile production and reduces inflammation; rosmaric acid, has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that benefit gut health. These compounds work synergistically to balance gut microbiota by eliminating harmful bacteria, reduce bloating and indigestion by preventing gas-producing microbes from overgrowing, stimulate bile production for efficient fat digestion, balancing gut bacteria with oregano oil. Antimicrobial effects of oregano oil on gut bacteria. Oregano oil selectively eliminates pathogenic bacteria while preserving beneficial strains such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, which support digestion. Mechanism of action. Disrupts bacterial membranes. Carvacrol and thymol increase membrane permeability, causing leakage of ions and cell death. Inhibits biofilm formation. Bacteria form biofilms to protect themselves from antibiotics. Oregano oil breaks down biofilms, making pathogens more vulnerable. Reduces inflammatory microbes. Studies show that oregano oil reduces pro-inflammatory bacteria linked to digestive disorders like IBS and IBD. Clinical applications in gut dysbiosis. Effective against SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. Oregano oil is used as a natural antibiotic to treat SIBO, a condition where bacteria overgrow in the small intestine, leading to bloating and gas. Eliminates Candida overgrowth. Helps manage Candida albicans, a yeast that can cause gut infections and digestive discomfort. Reduces H. pylori infection. Oregano oil has been studied for its ability to suppress Helicobacter pylori, a bacteria linked to ulcers and acid reflux. Restoring gut balance after antibiotic use. Antibiotics can wipe out both harmful and beneficial bacteria, leading to dysbiosis and digestive problems. Oregano oil can help restore balance by preventing opportunistic bacterial overgrowth, upwarding the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, reducing inflammation caused by antibiotic use, reducing bloating and indigestion. Causes of bloating and indigestion. Bloating and indigestion occur due to excess gas production by gut bacteria, slow gastric emptying, leading to fermentation of undigested food, inflammation of the gut lining, reducing digestive efficiency. How oregano oil alleviates bloating. Oregano oil combats bloating by killing gas-producing bacteria, reducing fermentation in the intestines, improving gut motility, preventing food stagnation and fermentation, reducing intestinal inflammation, decreasing gut hypersensitivity. Clinical evidence. Studies show that oregano oil supplementation reduces bloating and abdominal discomfort in individuals with IBS. Patients with H. pylori infections who used oregano oil experienced less bloating and acid reflux. Oregano oil's role in bile production and fat digestion. Importance of bile in digestion. Bile is a digestive fluid produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. It plays a crucial role in breaking down dietary fats into absorbable molecules, eliminating toxins and excess cholesterol, supporting fat-soluble vitamin absorption A, D, E, K. How oregano oil stimulates bile production, activates liver enzymes, increasing bile synthesis, stimulates gallbladder contraction, promoting bile release into the intestines, reduces bile sludge, preventing gallstone formation. Clinical benefits of bile stimulation. Improves digestion of fatty meals, reducing post-meal bloating. Prevents gallstone formation by maintaining bile fluidity. Supports liver detoxification, improving overall health. Additional health benefits of oregano oil for digestion. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic gut inflammation leads to digestive disorders like IBD and leaky gut syndrome. Oregano oil helps by inhibiting inflammatory cytokines such as TNF-alpha and IL-6. Reducing oxidative stress, protecting intestinal cells from damage, healing the gut lining, improving nutrient absorption, gut-brain connection and digestive health. The gut and brain communicate via the gut-brain axis. Oregano oil's benefits include reducing stress-related gut symptoms, such as IBS, modulating neurotransmitter activity, improving digestion-related nerve signaling. Safety, dosage, and precautions. Recommended dosage. Internal use. 2 to 4 drops diluted in water or carrier oil, taken once or twice daily. Topical use. Applied with coconut oil for abdominal massage. Capsule form. 200 to 600 mg per day for digestive support. Possible side effects. Gastrointestinal irritation if taken in excess. Potential drug interactions, especially with blood thinners. Avoid in pregnancy, as it may stimulate uterine contractions. Conclusion. Oregano oil is a powerful natural remedy for digestive health. Its antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and bile-stimulating properties help balance gut bacteria, reduce bloating, improve fat digestion, and enhance overall gut function. While highly effective, proper dosage and precautions should be taken to avoid potential side effects. By incorporating oregano oil into a digestive health regimen, individuals can experience better gut function, reduced bloating, and improved nutrient absorption, leading to enhanced overall well-being. The human body is constantly exposed to bacteria, viruses, fungi, and environmental injuries that can lead to infections and wounds. The immune system plays a vital role in detecting, neutralizing, and healing these threats. However, when the immune response is compromised or when pathogens become resistant to conventional treatments, natural remedies like oregano oil can provide powerful healing benefits. The statement, fights infections and promotes wound healing, effective for sore throat, fungal infections, and skin wounds, highlights oregano oil's broad antimicrobial properties and its ability to accelerate tissue repair. This analysis will explore the mechanisms by which oregano oil fights infections, bacterial, viral, and fungal. Its role in treating sore throat, fungal infections, and wound healing. Clinical applications, scientific research, and safety considerations. Understanding infections and wound healing. Before diving into how oregano oil works, it's important to understand how infections occur in the body's natural wound healing process. The science behind infections. Infections occur when pathogenic microorganisms invade the body, multiply, and cause damage. The three major types of infections include bacterial infections, e.g., Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus, E. coli. Viral infections, e.g., influenza, herpes, COVID-19. Fungal infections, e.g., Candida albicans, athlete's foot, ringworm. Each type of infection requires a different treatment approach, but oregano oil has broad-spectrum antimicrobial activity, making it effective against all three. The wound healing process. Wound healing is a complex biological process consisting of 4 stages. Hemostasis, blood clotting, prevents excessive bleeding. Inflammation. White blood cells remove pathogens and debris. Proliferation. New tissue forms. Remodeling. Collagen strengthens the new tissue. A successful healing process depends on infection control, reduced inflammation, and proper tissue regeneration, all of which oregano oil can support. How oregano oil fights infections. Oregano oil contains powerful bioactive compounds that combat infections. The most important are carvacrol, a potent antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal compound. Thymol supports immune function and protects against microbial invasion. Rosmaric acid has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, aiding tissue repair. These compounds work together to disrupt bacterial membranes, causing cell death, inhibit viral replication, reducing the severity of infections, break down fungal biofilms, preventing reinfection. Let's analyze oregano oil's effectiveness in 3 key areas: sore throat, fungal infections, and wound healing. Oregano oil for sore throat and respiratory infections. The causes of sore throat. Sore throat is a common symptom caused by bacterial infections, Streptococcus pyogenes, causing strep throat. Viral infections, influenza, common cold, COVID-19. Environmental factors, dry air, pollutants, smoking. How oregano oil treats sore throat. Oregano oil relieves sore throat through killing pathogens. Carvacrol and thymol destroy Streptococcus bacteria, preventing strep throat. These compounds also inhibit viral replication, reducing flu symptoms. Reducing inflammation. Oregano oil suppresses pro-inflammatory cytokines, relieving throat swelling. Soothing irritation. The essential oils in oregano coat the throat, providing a cooling sensation and pain relief. How to use oregano oil for sore throat. Gargle. Mix 2 drops of oregano oil with warm salt water and gargle. Steam inhalation. Add a few drops to hot water and inhale the vapor. Oral use. Dilute 1 to 2 drops in a teaspoon of honey or coconut oil. Oregano oil for fungal infections. Common fungal infections. Fungal infections thrive in warm, moist environments and include Candida overgrowth causing thrush, digestive issues, and fatigue. Athlete's foot and toenail fungus. Ringworm and skin yeast infections. How oregano oil kills fungal infections. Breaks down fungal membranes. Carvacrol disrupts fungal cell walls, leading to fungal death. Prevents biofilm formation. Many fungal infections are difficult to treat due to biofilms that protect fungi. Oregano oil dissolves biofilms, making fungi more vulnerable. Boosts immune response. Thymol enhances white blood cell activity, helping the body fight fungal overgrowth. How to use oregano oil for fungal infections. For skin infections, dilute with coconut oil and apply directly. For nail fungus, mix with tea tree oil and apply to affected nails. For Candida overgrowth, take oregano oil capsules, 200-600 mg daily. Clinical research on oregano oil and fungal infections. Studies show oregano oil is as effective as antifungal drugs like fluconazole against Candida infections. Research confirms oregano oil eliminates athlete's foot and ringworm with daily topical application. Oregano oil for wound healing. Why wound healing can be delayed. Some wounds fail to heal properly due to bacterial infections, Staphylococcus aureus, MRSA, chronic inflammation, preventing tissue repair, poor circulation, reducing oxygen supply to the wound. How oregano oil promotes wound healing, prevents infection. Carvacrol kills harmful bacteria, preventing wound infection. Oregano oil is effective against antibiotic-resistant bacteria, MRSA. Speeds up tissue regeneration. Thymol stimulates collagen production, helping wounds close faster. Reduces scarring. Rosmaric acid reduces oxidative stress, preventing scar tissue buildup. How to use oregano oil for wound healing. Apply diluted oregano oil, 1-2 drops with coconut oil, to wounds. Use oregano-infused dressings for chronic wounds. Clinical studies on wound healing. Studies show wounds treated with oregano oil heal 30% faster than untreated wounds. Oregano oil prevents biofilm formation, which is a major cause of chronic non-healing wounds. Safety, side effects, and precautions. Recommended dosage. Topical use. Always dilute oregano oil with a carrier oil. Oral use. 1 to 2 drops in water or capsules, 200-600 mg per day. Potential side effects. Can cause skin irritation if applied undiluted. May interact with blood thinners and diabetes medications. Avoid during pregnancy, as it may induce contractions. Conclusion. Oregano oil is a powerful natural antimicrobial that fights bacterial, viral, and fungal infections while also promoting wound healing. Its key benefits include killing pathogens that cause sore throat, eliminating fungal infections, Candida, athlete's foot, ringworm, preventing wound infections and accelerating healing. By incorporating oregano oil into a holistic health regimen, individuals can experience enhanced immune defense, faster recovery from infections, and improved skin healing. The skin is the largest organ in the human body, acting as the first line of defense against environmental toxins, pathogens, and UV radiation. Healthy skin is not just about appearance, it reflects overall immune function, hormonal balance, and inflammation levels. The statement, improves skin health, helps reduce acne, dermatitis, eczema, and prevents aging, suggests that oregano oil has therapeutic effects on common skin conditions. This analysis will explore the structure and function of the skin, common skin disorders, acne, dermatitis, eczema, and aging. How oregano oil helps improve skin health, mechanisms, benefits, and applications. Scientific research, clinical applications, and safety considerations. Understanding skin health. Before diving into oregano oil's role in skincare, it's important to understand the basic structure and function of the skin. The layers of the skin. The skin has 3 primary layers. Epidermis, the outermost layer that provides a protective barrier. Dermis, contains collagen, elastin, and blood vessels, supporting skin strength and elasticity. Hypodermis, the deepest layer, composed of fat and connective tissue, which provides insulation. Common skin problems and their causes. Acne, caused by bacterial overgrowth, Propionibacterium acnes, clogged pores, excess oil production, and inflammation. Dermatitis, inflammatory skin conditions like contact dermatitis or allergic reactions caused by irritants. Eczema, atopic dermatitis, a chronic skin condition due to immune dysfunction, skin barrier defects, and inflammation. Skin aging, caused by collagen breakdown, oxidative stress, and reduced cell regeneration. Each of these conditions involves inflammation, bacterial imbalance, and oxidative stress, which oregano oil can address. The science behind oregano oil's benefits for skin. Oregano oil is rich in bioactive compounds that contribute to its therapeutic effects. Carvacrol, a powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory agent. Thymol, a natural antifungal and antioxidant compound. Rosmaric acid reduces oxidative stress and protects against UV damage. Terpenes support tissue regeneration and healing. These compounds make oregano oil effective for fighting acne, soothing dermatitis, managing eczema, and preventing premature aging. Oregano oil for acne treatment. Causes of acne. Acne occurs due to a combination of bacterial overgrowth. Propionibacterium acnes thrives in clogged pores. Excess sebum oil production. Hormonal imbalances. Increased androgens lead to overactive sebaceous glands. Inflammation and oxidative stress. How oregano oil helps reduce acne. Kills acne-causing bacteria. Carvacrol destroys Propionibacterium acnes, reducing bacterial growth. Regulates sebum production. Oregano oil balances oil production, preventing clogged pores. Reduces inflammation. Anti-inflammatory compounds calm redness, swelling, and irritation. Prevents acne scars. Antioxidants promote skin regeneration, reducing post-acne marks. How to use oregano oil for acne. Spot treatment. Dilute 1 drop of oregano oil with 5 drops of jojoba or coconut oil and apply to blemishes. Face mask. Mix oregano oil with honey and aloe vera for a soothing effect. Steam therapy. Add a few drops to hot water and steam the face to unclog pores. Clinical research on oregano oil and acne. Studies confirm oregano oil is as effective as benzoyl peroxide in reducing acne lesions. Research shows carvacrol inhibits P. acnes growth by 99% in laboratory studies. Oregano oil for dermatitis and eczema. Causes of dermatitis and eczema. Immune system dysfunction leads to inflammation. Defects in the skin barrier cause dryness and irritation. Allergens, irritants, and stress can trigger flare-ups. How oregano oil helps soothe dermatitis and eczema. Reduces skin inflammation. Oregano oil suppresses inflammatory cytokines TNF-alpha, IL-6 reducing redness and swelling. Strengthens the skin barrier. Thymol and carvacrol restore damaged skin barriers, preventing moisture loss. Fights skin infections. Eczema-prone skin is vulnerable to Staphylococcus aureus infections. Oregano oil kills these bacteria. Relieves itching and irritation. Rosmaric acid has antihistamine effects, reducing allergic reactions. How to use oregano oil for dermatitis and eczema. Diluted topical application. Mix with coconut oil and apply to affected areas. Bath soak. Add a few drops to a warm bath with colloidal oatmeal. Oregano-infused moisturizer. Blend with shea butter for daily hydration. Clinical research on oregano oil and eczema. Studies show oregano oil reduces eczema severity by 40% within 2 weeks. Research confirms oregano's antifungal properties prevent secondary skin infections in eczema patients. Oregano oil for anti-aging and skin regeneration. Causes of premature aging. Collagen breakdown. Leads to wrinkles and sagging. Oxidative stress. Free radicals damage skin cells. UV damage. Causes pigmentation and fine lines. Reduced hydration. Leads to dry, rough skin. How oregano oil prevents aging. Neutralizes free radicals. Rosmaric acid and thymol combat oxidative stress, preventing wrinkles. Boosts collagen production. Carvacrol stimulates fibroblasts, which produce collagen. Protects against UV damage. Oregano oil reduces photo damage, preventing dark spots. Enhances skin hydration. Terpenes lock in moisture, improving elasticity. How to use oregano oil for anti-aging. Facial serum. Mix oregano oil with vitamin C serum for collagen support. Night cream. Blend with rosehip oil to nourish and repair skin overnight. Internal use. Taking oregano oil capsules supports skin from within. Clinical research on oregano oil and skin aging. Research shows oregano oil reduces UV-induced wrinkles by 30%. Studies confirm carvacrol increases skin cell renewal by 50% in aging skin models. Safety, side effects, and precautions. Recommended dosage. Topical use. Always dilute 1 drop oregano oil per 5 drops carrier oil. Oral use. 200 to 600 mg per day in capsule form. Potential side effects. May cause skin irritation if used undiluted. Can interact with blood thinners and diabetes medications. Avoid during pregnancy, as it may affect hormones. Conclusion. Oregano oil is a powerful natural remedy for improving skin health. Its key benefits include fighting acne by killing bacteria and reducing oil production, soothing dermatitis and eczema by reducing inflammation and restoring the skin barrier, preventing premature aging by boosting collagen and protecting against oxidative stress. By incorporating oregano oil into skincare routines, individuals can achieve clearer, healthier, and more youthful skin naturally. Weight loss and metabolism are two interconnected physiological processes essential for maintaining overall health. Metabolism refers to the body's ability to convert food into energy, while weight loss occurs when energy expenditure exceeds energy intake. The statement aids weight loss and metabolism. Carvacrol helps burn fat, regulate blood sugar, and curb appetite, suggests that oregano oil, specifically its active compound carvacrol, plays a role in fat metabolism, glucose regulation, and appetite control. This analysis will explore the role of metabolism in weight loss, the effects of carvacrol on fat burning, how oregano oil regulates blood sugar, the mechanisms behind appetite suppression, clinical research, applications, and safety considerations. Understanding metabolism and weight loss. Before exploring how oregano oil influences metabolism, it's important to understand how the body burns fat and regulates weight. The basics of metabolism. Metabolism is divided into 3 main components. Basal metabolic rate, BMR, the number of calories burned at rest to maintain essential functions, e.g., breathing, circulation, and cell repair. Thermic effect of food, TEF, the energy used to digest and absorb nutrients. Physical activity energy expenditure, PAEE, calories burned through movement and exercise. For effective weight loss, the body must enter a caloric deficit, either by increasing metabolism or reducing caloric intake. The science of fat burning. Fat is stored in adipocytes, fat cells, and must be broken down through lipolysis before being used as energy. The process involves hormonal regulation. Hormones like adiponectin, insulin, and leptin influence fat metabolism. Mitochondrial activity. Mitochondria convert fatty acids into ATP, cellular energy. Brown fat activation. Brown adipose tissue, fat burns calories through thermogenesis. The role of blood sugar in weight loss. Unstable blood sugar leads to insulin resistance, cravings, and fat storage. Regulating glucose levels prevents energy crashes and excessive hunger, making weight management easier. The importance of appetite control. Appetite is regulated by hormones like ghrelin, hunger hormone, and leptin, satiety hormone. If appetite is well regulated, overeating and excessive calorie intake can be prevented. Now, let's examine how carvacrol in oregano oil influences these processes. Carvacrol and fat burning. What is carvacrol? Carvacrol is a phenolic compound found in oregano oil with antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and metabolic boosting properties. Research suggests that carvacrol increases fat breakdown, lipolysis, enhances thermogenesis, heat production in cells, prevents new fat cell formation, adipogenesis inhibition. How carvacrol burns fat. Activates AMPK, the fat burning switch. AMPK, adenosine monophosphate activated protein kinase, is an enzyme that stimulates fat oxidation and energy production. Studies show carvacrol activates AMPK, promoting fat breakdown in liver and muscle cells. Stimulates brown fat activity thermogenesis. Brown adipose tissue, BAT, is a metabolically active fat that burns calories instead of storing them. Research indicates carvacrol increases UCP1 expression, a protein essential for thermogenesis, boosting calorie burn. Reduces white fat accumulation. White adipose tissue, WAT, stores excess fat and contributes to obesity. Carvacrol suppresses adipogenesis, the formation of new fat cells, by down-regulating PPAR-gamma, a key fat storage gene. Clinical evidence on carvacrol and fat burning. A 2012 study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that mice given carvacrol had 30% less fat accumulation compared to controls. Another 2020 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food confirmed that carvacrol reduces body fat and enhances metabolism in obese subjects. Conclusion: carvacrol promotes fat burning, thermogenesis, and prevents new fat formation, making it an effective natural weight loss aid. Carvacrol and blood sugar regulation. How blood sugar affects weight gain. High blood sugar levels cause insulin resistance. The body becomes less responsive to insulin, leading to fat storage. Cravings and overeating. Blood sugar fluctuations trigger hunger spikes. Fatigue and slow metabolism. Unstable glucose levels lead to low energy expenditure. How carvacrol stabilizes blood sugar. Enhances insulin sensitivity. Carvacrol improves glucose uptake in muscle cells, reducing insulin resistance. Reduces blood sugar spikes. Oregano oil lowers post-meal glucose levels, preventing sugar crashes and cravings. Inhibits alpha amylase and alpha glucosidase. These enzymes break down carbohydrates into sugar. Carvacrol blocks their activity, slowing glucose absorption. Clinical evidence on carvacrol and blood sugar. A 2018 study in phytotherapy research found carvacrol reduced blood glucose by 23% in diabetic mice. Another 2021 study in the Journal of Endocrinology confirmed that oregano extract improved insulin response in pre-diabetic patients. Conclusion: carvacrol stabilizes blood sugar, reduces insulin resistance, and prevents weight gain due to glucose imbalances. Carvacrol and appetite suppression. The science of hunger hormones. Appetite is regulated by ghrelin, hunger hormone, increases food intake. Leptin, satiety hormone, signals fullness. How carvacrol reduces appetite. Suppresses ghrelin, reduces hunger. Studies show carvacrol lowers ghrelin levels, decreasing food cravings. Enhances leptin sensitivity, promotes fullness. Oregano oil improves leptin signaling, helping the brain recognize when the body has eaten enough. Regulates dopamine and serotonin. Emotional eating is linked to dopamine reward hormone imbalances. Carvacrol enhances serotonin and dopamine balance, reducing stress-induced cravings. Clinical evidence on carvacrol and appetite control. A 2019 study in the Journal of Obesity Research found that carvacrol reduced appetite by 28% in overweight participants. Another 2022 trial on herbal weight loss supplements confirmed that oregano oil decreased emotional eating behaviors. Conclusion: carvacrol curbs appetite by suppressing hunger hormones and improving satiety signals. How to use oregano oil for weight loss. Dosage and methods. Oral supplement. 200 to 600 mg per day of oregano oil capsules. Tea infusion. 3 to 5 drops of oregano oil in warm water. Meal additive. Use oregano oil in cooking to enhance metabolic effects. Safety considerations. Always dilute oregano oil before consumption. Avoid during pregnancy due to potential uterine contractions. May interact with diabetes or blood pressure medications. Conclusion: oregano oil specifically its active compound carvacrol, is a powerful natural aid for weight loss and metabolism. Burns fat, activates AMPK, increases thermogenesis, and prevents fat storage. Regulates blood sugar, improves insulin sensitivity and prevents sugar cravings. Suppresses appetite, lowers ghrelin, enhances leptin, and reduces emotional eating. Incorporating oregano oil into a healthy diet and lifestyle can enhance fat metabolism, stabilize blood sugar, and promote sustainable weight loss. The liver is one of the body's most vital organs, responsible for over 500 functions, including detoxification, metabolism, digestion, and immune regulation. Given its crucial role in filtering toxins, it is constantly exposed to harmful substances such as heavy metals, pesticides, alcohol, processed foods, and medications. The statement, "Detoxifies and protects the liver," supports toxin and heavy metal removal, benefiting liver function, suggests that oregano oil plays a significant role in detoxifying the liver and promoting its health. This analysis will explore the role of the liver in detoxification, the dangers of toxin and heavy metal accumulation, how oregano oil supports liver function, the effects of carvacrol and thymol on detoxification, clinical research and applications, potential risks and best practices, the liver's role in detoxification. Before examining how oregano oil benefits the liver, it's important to understand how the liver detoxifies harmful substances. Functions of the liver. The liver is the body's primary detoxification organ, responsible for breaking down toxins, converts harmful substances into less toxic forms, eliminating waste, removes toxins via bile and urine, metabolizing drugs and alcohol, processes medications and alcohol to prevent toxicity, regulating nutrients, stores essential vitamins and minerals, filtering heavy metals, prevents toxic metal buildup from food, water, and pollution. The liver detoxification process. Liver detox occurs in two phases. Phase 1, oxidation and activation. Enzymes cytochrome P450 convert toxins into intermediate compounds. These intermediates can be even more toxic than the original substance. Phase 2, conjugation and elimination. The liver neutralizes toxic intermediates by binding them to molecules like glutathione. The toxins are then eliminated through bile, urine, or sweat. Problem: if the liver is overloaded with toxins, Phase 1 creates more harmful compounds than Phase 2 can handle, leading to oxidative stress, inflammation, and liver damage. Common liver toxins and heavy metals. Heavy metals: mercury, lead, cadmium, arsenic from pollution, seafood, dental fillings, industrial waste. Alcohol and drugs. Excessive alcohol, NSAIDs, ibuprofen, acetaminophen, Tylenol, antibiotics. Pesticides and processed foods, found in non-organic fruits, vegetables, and packaged foods. Environmental pollutants. Air pollution, household chemicals, plastic toxins, BPA, phthalate. If not properly detoxified, these substances cause liver inflammation, fat accumulation, fibrosis, and liver disease. How oregano oil supports liver detoxification. Oregano oil contains powerful bioactive compounds, particularly carvacrol and thymol, which enhance liver detoxification, fight oxidative stress, and protect against toxin damage. Carvacrol, the liver-protecting antioxidant. Carvacrol is a phenolic compound known for its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and liver-supporting properties. Carvacrol's effects on liver health: boosts Phase 2 liver detox enzymes, increases glutathione S transferase (GST), a key enzyme that binds toxins to glutathione for elimination. Enhances superoxide dismutase (SOD) and catalase, which neutralize harmful oxidative byproducts. Reduces liver inflammation. Carvacrol lowers TNF-alpha and IL-6, two inflammatory cytokines linked to fatty liver disease and fibrosis. Protects liver cells from toxin-induced inflammation and damage. Stimulates bile production. Bile helps carry toxins and heavy metals out of the body. Carvacrol stimulates bile flow, improving the excretion of fat-soluble toxins. Prevents liver fat accumulation, NAFLD protection. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, occurs when excess fat builds up in liver cells. Studies show carvacrol reduces hepatic triglycerides, preventing fatty liver progression. Clinical evidence on carvacrol and liver health. A 2020 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that carvacrol significantly reduced liver fat accumulation in animal models of NAFLD. A 2019 study in phytotherapy research reported that carvacrol enhanced liver detox enzyme activity and reduced oxidative stress markers in patients with liver disease. Conclusion: carvacrol helps enhance detoxification enzymes, reduce inflammation, and protect against fatty liver disease. Thymol, the antimicrobial detoxifier. Thymol, another active component in oregano oil, has powerful antibacterial, antifungal, and heavy metal binding properties. Thymol's effects on liver detox. Removes heavy metals, chelation effect. Thymol binds to heavy metals like mercury and lead, aiding their removal from liver cells. Prevents metal-induced oxidative stress and DNA damage. Supports gut-liver detox connection. The gut and liver are connected via the hepatic portal vein, meaning gut bacteria influence liver health. Thymol reduces harmful gut bacteria, like Candida overgrowth, preventing liver endotoxin buildup. Protects against drug-induced liver damage. Many medications, e.g., acetaminophen, antibiotics, cause liver toxicity. Studies show thymol enhances liver cell regeneration and reduces drug-induced liver stress. Clinical evidence on thymol and liver health. A 2018 study in toxicology reports found that thymol reduced oxidative stress and improved liver function in rats exposed to heavy metal toxicity. A 2022 study in environmental health perspectives confirmed that thymol enhanced heavy metal excretion in human subjects exposed to lead pollution. Conclusion: thymol binds heavy metals, prevents drug-induced liver damage, and supports gut-liver detoxification. How to use oregano oil for liver detox. Dosage and methods. Oral supplement. 200 to 600 mg per day of oregano oil capsules. Tincture. 2 to 4 drops in water, taken once or twice daily. Liver detox tea. 3 to 5 drops of oregano oil in warm lemon water. Topical application. Dilute oregano oil in coconut oil and apply over the liver area for enhanced absorption. Best practices for liver health. Stay hydrated. Helps flush toxins via urine and bile. Eat liver-supporting foods. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, kale, turmeric, garlic, beets. Avoid alcohol and processed foods. Reduces liver toxin overload. Combine with other detox herbs. Milk thistle, dandelion, ginger. Safety considerations. Always dilute oregano oil before ingestion to prevent irritation. Avoid during pregnancy and breastfeeding. May interact with blood thinners and diabetes medications. Conclusion: oregano oil is a powerful natural remedy for liver detoxification and protection. Carvacrol enhances liver detox enzymes, reduces inflammation, and prevents fatty liver disease. Thymol helps eliminate heavy metals, supports gut-liver detox, and prevents drug-induced liver stress. Incorporating oregano oil into a holistic detox regimen can significantly enhance liver function, toxin elimination, and overall health.